Welcome to Present Trade's guide on exploring civil site design software with BricsCAD. Once you've downloaded CSD for BricsCAD, you'll notice that the CSD tabs have been seamlessly added next to the AI Assist tab. Of course, you can always tailor the interface to your preference using the Interface Settings button, giving you full control over your workspace. If you're familiar with using CSD on AutoCAD, you'll find the transition easy, as the buttons and tabs are very similar. Now, let's dive into some real designing to see how it all works in action. To begin with alignments for your road plan, head over to the Alignments tab and click on Create Alignment. Select a line on your road plan, and a window will pop up with various options, such as naming the alignment and selecting its type. Once you've made your selections, click OK, and the alignment will be created. For a more automated process, click on the Auto Create button. This feature utilizes dynamic drawing labels for your alignment and allows you to choose where you want the automatic alignment. As you can see, the alignments are created almost instantly. And if you need to make adjustments, you can open the quad cursor, where you'll find several options tailored specifically for road design and alignment edits. Now, let's try designing a road with CSD in BricsCAD. Navigate to the Road tab and select Design Data Form. A window will pop up, and in the Design Parameters section, you can choose the type of template you'd like. For this tutorial, we'll select the road, 6 meters template, and keep the remaining settings as they are. Hit OK and you'll see your road template in no time. If you want to speed things up, you can either add strings one by one, or use the Auto Create Roads option in the Roads tab, which will help save time, especially when using the same template across multiple roads. After you've added the strings, it's time to create the Kerb Returns. You can do this manually or automatically. Head over to the New Strings button, select Create a Kerb Return, and a window will appear where you can set options like the radius. Once you're happy with your settings, click Create Update Alignment and the Kerb Return will be created automatically. Repeat the same steps for the opposite side and you're all set. Notice how the quad cursor in BricsCAD integrates perfectly with the design. You can select specific areas and the options will automatically adjust depending on the design. Next, let's generate a complete model. Go to the Tool Space button and choose the Auto Mode Total Model button. In just a few seconds, CSD will automatically generate the model for you. Now, if you want to edit the design profiles of your created alignments, go to the Roads tab and click on Open Vertical Grading. A window will appear, displaying all the profile parameters and geometry editing tools, including options for IP modification, vertical curbs, and slope adjustments. From the Home tab, you can easily add an IP and continue refining your profile design as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click OK, and the IP will be applied to your profile. And there you have it, a seamless integration of civil site design with BricsCAD, making road planning smoother and more efficient than ever. Whether it's creating alignments, designing roads, or automating your workflow, this powerful combination gives you the flexibility and precision you need. So why not take your designs to the next level? Contact us today at Present Trade and start your free trial of both CSD and BricsCAD.